Hey guys, it's your boy James here. Today we are talking about how to get six-pack abs in a single week. Now I know what you are thinking. That's impossible. But trust me, it's not. With the right exercises and diet, you can achieve your dreamy physique in just 7 days. So, let's get started. Here are the 5 exercises you need to do. Exercise number 1. Planks. Planks exercise is a must for building a strong core. So, get into a push-up position but with your weight resting on your forearms. Hold this position for as long as you can, while keeping your body in a straight line. Exercise number 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are super effective for your oblique and the overall definition of your core. Lie on your back and mimic a pedaling motion, bringing your elbow to your opposite knee. Keep that core very tight. Exercise number 3. Leg raises. Leg raises are another great exercise for the lower abs. To do a leg raise, lie on your back with your legs extended in the air. Slowly lower your legs down until they are just above the ground. Then raise them back to the starting position. Exercise number 4. Crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent, hands behind your head, and slowly lift your upper body off the ground. Remember to engage your core muscles as you come up and go down. This exercise targets your upper abs. And on exercise number 5. Russian twists. Russian twists are a great way to work your core and obliques. To do a Russian twist, sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the weight in front of you with both hands and twist your torso from side to side. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's important to note that diet is also essential for getting six-pack abs. You need to eat a healthy diet that is low in processed food and high in protein and fiber. So there you have it. These are the 5 exercises and diet tips you need to get six-pack abs in 1 week. Just remember to be constant with your workout and diet, and you will be on your way to achieving your dream physique.